sa Mindanao, mainly the elementary there is that you have the MILF. And I thank Allah by His grace for giving us the Bangsamoro law. Now there are, that's why I was late, rumblings about the MNLF. Sabi nga namin noon come and join. But Misuari is going out and I have ordered the military and the police. May kaso siya. Allow him to, he will come back. He is a tausog. Maybe he would not really consider a Filipino in the right sense because it's a name in the name of the King of Spain, Philippines, and that will never be accepted by the Moro people. Believe me. Hindi may sabi Philippines. Pag maglabas yan sila, ano ako? Tausog. Ako marano. Ano magsabi yan? Ako Pilipino.